Unraveling the mysteries of dark magical relics. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into an intriguing topic: dark magical relics. These words may sound like something out of a fantasy novel, and you're not wrong. We'll explore what they mean, their connotations, and how you can use this phrase in your conversations or writing. Let's embark on this mystical journey together and unravel the mysteries of dark magical relics. Dark magical relics is a phrase that combines three powerful words, each with its own depth and meaning. Let's break it down. Dark. This word can refer to the absence of light, but in many contexts, it suggests something sinister, evil, or harmful. When used metaphorically, it denotes a sense of mystery or something unknown. Magical. Pertaining to magic, this word evokes a sense of wonder, supernatural powers, and the ability to achieve the impossible. Magic is often associated with fantasy, enchantment, and the mystical. Relics. Relics are objects from the past, often with historical, cultural, or sentimental value. They are typically preserved for their connection to a particular period, event, or person. When combined, dark magical relics refers to ancient or historical objects with supernatural powers, often associated with dark or evil forces. These relics are commonly found in stories, myths, and legends where they hold significant power or influence. Dark magical relics are a staple in fantasy literature, movies, and games. They serve as plot devices that characters must find, destroy, or protect to prevent catastrophic events or to gain power. Examples include cursed objects, enchanted artifacts, or items imbued with dark magic. These relics often symbolize the struggle between good and evil, embodying the dangers of unchecked power or the depths of human greed and ambition. They also allow for the exploration of themes such as redemption, sacrifice, and the moral complexities of using such power. You can use the phrase, dark magical relics, in several contexts. Creative writing. Incorporate it into stories or games to add depth and intrigue to your narrative. Discussions. When talking about literature, movies, or cultural myths, use it to reference objects or artifacts with dark powers. Academic writing. In essays on mythology, folklore, or cultural studies, this phrase can help you discuss the symbolism and significance of these objects. Remember, the allure of dark magical relics lies in their mystery and the stories they tell about human nature, power, and the thin line between good and evil. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the fascinating concept of dark magical relics. Whether you're a fan of fantasy, a creative writer, or just curious about language, we hope this video has shed some light on this dark and mystical phrase. Keep learning, stay curious, and see you in our next video adventure.